Hello guys, we already learned that the persons who are infected with coronavirus are mostly old people, but it hasn't spared a newborn. Now a 30-year-old newborn in Wuhan is the youngest patient infected with coronavirus. A Chinese newborn has been diagnosed with the new coronavirus just 30 hours after birth, the youngest case recorded so far, the state media said. The baby was born on 2 February in a local hospital in Wuhan, the epicenter of the virus. The baby's mother tested positive before she gave birth. It is unclear how the disease was transmitted. News clips from the BBC. Only a handful of children have come down with the virus, which has killed 563 people and infected over 28,000. The state media outlet Xinhua reported news of the infection late on Wednesday. It added that the baby, which weighed 3.25 kgs at birth, was now in stable condition and under observation. Medical experts say it could be a case where the infection was contracted in the womb. This reminds us to pay attention to mother-to-child being a possible route of coronavirus transmission. Chief physician of Wuhan Children's Hospital's neonatal medicine department, Zheng Lingkong, told Reuters. But it is also possible that the baby was infected after birth from having close contact with the mother. It's quite possible that the baby picked it up very conventionally by inhaling virus droplets that came from the mother coughing. Stephen Morse, an epidemiologist at the Mailman School of Public Health at Columbia University, told Business Insider. Very few children have tested positive in this recent outbreak, which is consistent with other coronavirus outbreaks in recent history, including SARS and MERS. A report by the Journal of the American Medical Association said the median age of patients for the current outbreak is between 49 and 56 years, adding that cases in children have been rare. Similarly, during the MERS outbreak in 2016, the World Journal of Clinical Pediatrics said the virus was rare in children, though it added that the reason for this low prevalence is not known. A 6-month-old baby in Singapore is known to have tested positive for the new coronavirus, as well as an 8-year-old from Wuhan who is currently in Australia. The virus has spread overseas, with 25 nations confirming a total of 191 cases, although there has so far been only 2 deaths outside mainland China. The coronavirus causes severe acute respiratory infection, and symptoms usually start with a fever, followed by a dry cough. Most people infected are likely to fully recover, just as they would from a flu. The World Health Organization has declared the outbreak a global health emergency. Its chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus on Wednesday appealed for $670 million to fund a 3-month response plan. The vast majority of the funds should go to nations that need help to protect against the virus. Some 500,000 masks and 40,000 respirators would be sent to 24 countries. Other recent developments include 10 more people on a quarantine ship docked in the Japanese port of Yokohama have tested positive for coronavirus, bringing the total to 20. About 3,700 people on the ship are on lockdown after a previous passenger who disembarked in Hong Kong tested positive. Around 3,600 people on board another cruise ship docked in Hong Kong have also been confined to the ship after 3 previous passengers were found to have the virus. Taiwan has banned all international cruise ships from docking at the island, says a Reuters report. It has also banned the entry of mainland residents. A group of almost 350 Americans airlifted out from Wuhan have been placed under quarantine in 2 military bases in California. Car maker Tesla warned that the virus could delay deliveries within China of its Model 3 vehicle. Chinese officials say they have stepped up efforts to control the outbreak, particularly in Hubei province where Wuhan is located. 2 hospitals have been speedily built and 11 public venues transformed into makeshift wards. Millions in Hubei and Zhejiang provinces have been told only 1 person per household can go outside every 2 days. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.